Hey guys, so today I am going to be fixing my 2018 Toyota Camry SXE wiper control switch. Out on bottom there, that is a picture of my old one that broke. And this will be my first time going at it. So these are pretty much the tools that you're going to be needing. I have a power drill there with a forehead attached to it. And then pretty much just a normal flathead screwdriver. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to get under there and take that screw off right there. And then you're going to have to turn the steering wheel and then take that screw off. Right. On the other side, you're going to have to turn the steering wheel and take that screw off right there. There's a steering wheel control lever that allows you to move the steering wheel up and down and pull it forward. You got to do a little bit of prying and tinkering, but once you have everything off, it should look like this. As you can see by this photo, I already switched out the old one for the new one. However, just for tutorial purposes, I'm showing you how it is done. In this phase of the tutorial, what you have to do is you need to turn the steering wheel in order to get to that little lever right there. And gently pry it with your flathead. Once that becomes a little loose, you're able to pull the windshield module switch right out. As you can see right there, it just comes right out. And then you plug in the new one, which should just slide right in and snap. Everything works. It took me a total of about an hour to do this, and so I hope this tutorial was helpful.